Is Nutramigen formula good for colic? Nutramigen is a hypoallergenic baby formula that is proven to reduce baby's colic as quickly as 48 hours. Enfamil Nutramigen infant formula, hypoallergenic and lactose-free formula with Enflora LGG. Fast relief from severe crying and colic, powder can, 19.8 ounces. Product details. Nutramigen with Enflora LGG is a 20 calories per fluid ounce, iron-fortified, lactose-free, hypoallergenic infant formula designed for infants who have food allergies including cow's milk allergy. Nutramigen with Enflora LGG has extensively hydrolyzed casein protein to help avoid an immune system response by reducing the allergen exposure, and the probiotic branded LGG to help support the strength of the intestinal barrier and support digestive health. Helps TO ease colic, delivers clinically proven relief when managing colic due to cow's milk allergy for a happier, better rested baby and mom. Fast relief now, as early as the first feeding, with 90% of infants improving within 48 hours. LGG, the most extensively studied probiotic for allergy management and supporting the digestive health of your baby. Brain support. Nutramigen is a gentle, lactose-free baby formula that has important nutrients found in breast milk such as omega-3 DHA, ARA, and choline that provide brain support. Immune support. Helps support baby's immune system to return to consuming traditional milk protein formula without an allergic response. Number 1 trusted brand. Enfamil is the number 1 trusted brand for brain building and immune support. Pediatrician recommended. Enfamil is the number 1 infant formula brand recommended by pediatricians. SNAP eligible to be purchased with Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP benefits.